Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to entertain you guys with some turkey from Australia origin. I'm holding a switch in my hand. I wish another in my other for that I kind of smoke. I just don't want to intoxicate these sons of a bitches, but it's very, very intriguing. From the east to the west, I hold spirits in my right hand. And let me show you guys the tricks that I have mastered. Your Highness. The yellow one that you can see right now, his name is Che, like Che Guevara. We call it Che because it's yellow. Yellow means prosperity and virtue. Let me take this guy real back. Under the switch, he goes right back on top of it. The blue one, on the other hand, means maturity, adulthood. His name is Castro. The name does not derive from the asshole named Fidel. I call him Castro just because it's a fucking pain in the ass, nigga. Not that much trustworthy as the yellow one on the other side, since he has reached adulthood. So he's very, very timid of human contact and interaction. So you have to work with this guy. I'll take this guy back to the switch. And there he goes. My name is... Well, I'm not going to reveal my name for... Are you recording this or you... Hey, you want to put this shit on YouTube, my nigga?
Oh, for sure.
Well, I can buy this nigga's ass off if you want me to. You can make a couple of grands out there. What you do is...
Cut! Conduttore del cazzo.